Start. Common problems of adolescents. Common problems of adolescents. Adolescents की common problems हमें यहाँ पे डिस्कस करनी है. पहले ये जानेंगे कि adolescence होती क्या है, उसके बाद हम इसकी प्रॉब्लम्स पे जाएंगे. ये जो adolescence है, this adolescence word ये जो adolescence word है, it have been derived from a Latin word. Latin word का नाम है adolescens. Adolescens. This is the Latin word जिससे ये नाम adolescence निकाला गया है. So ये जो आप देख रहे हैं adolescence, ये नाम किससे निकला हुआ है? It have been derived from a Latin word adolescens. And adolescens का मतलब क्या है? इस adolescens का मतलब है growing towards maturity. Growing towards maturity. ये है माने adolescents का. So adolescents का मतलब जो है वो है growing towards maturity. तो हम ये यहाँ पे बताएंगे, फिर जब हम बताएं कि it is growing towards maturity, then what is adolescence? Adolescence is also growing towards maturity. So adolescence को ये बताएंगे हम कि it is growing towards maturity. So this adolescence is a Latin word. It has been derived from a Latin word adolescens, and adolescens means growing towards maturity. So what is then this adolescence? So this adolescence can be defined as period of growth. So this adolescence is then what? It is the period of growth. Yes, catch that? Growing towards maturity from the onset of puberty. From the onset of puberty. Puberty से ये शुरू होता है. Puberty से ये शुरू होता है. Puberty आप जानते हैं. That means I can say age of 13 years. So growth is a period of growth from the onset of puberty. आप जानते हैं puberty सभी बच्चों में, सभी इंडिविजुअल में, इंसानों में होती है. ये puberty starts gussan government boys at the age of 13 years, the girls at the age of 12 years. This I can say puberty. So what is then this adolescence? It's the period of growth from the onset of puberty up to attainment of maturity. इसको बोलते हैं हम adolescence. So ये period जो start होता है, it starts from the onset of puberty up to attainment of maturity. Puberty पे कोतामत maturity पे, यानी it starts at the age of 12 or 13 years. ये start गसन ये puberty कंसात at the age of 12 or 13 years. ये बाहुर या ट्रुआवुर शासन at the age of 12 or 13 years. कोतामत up to attainment of maturity. वो तय मतलब वो maturity कोतामत up to the age of 20 years. वो हर वरियम तामत. गो गोबर मेन इस स्टेज स्टार्ट गसन गोबर मेन at the age of 12 years or 13 years up to the age of 20 years गो यम साथ ये 12 years ओस अमि साथ गई puberty start ये 20 years वो गो mature so there is transition from childhood to adulthood. So what happens, we can say that there is transition. There is transition from childhood to adulthood. वो ये सु stage जिंदगी मज यवन यथ मज जन बचपनस तो adulthoodस ये इंसान बालिग बनन छो अत दरमियान युस पीरियड 7 या 8 वरी 12 या 13 year पे वो वरी काम that means यमत मजस यम 7 पे 8 वरी यवन ये transition युजन छो from childhood to adulthood which is called adolescence is very important stage. This is a important stage because during this stage there is a rapid growth and development. During this stage there is a rapid growth and development. This is a stage yat maz zan setha teez growth development gesi. This is a stage yat maz zan setha teez growth development gesi. At chis gobar mein vanan adolescence. वो adolescence is a stage from childhood to adulthood. Yat maz zan setha rapid growth development gesi. Yat maz zan setha teez tareen growth emis bachas maz gasan. One chess yos government definition of adolescence. Adolescence kya hota hai? Aise samajh aam adolescence is derived. This name have been derived from a Latin word adolescetus, which means growing towards maturity. Which means growing towards maturity. Isn't a period of growth from the onset of puberty up to attainment of maturity. Puberty but maturity tamat you should start at the age of 12 to 13 years up to 12 years 20 years. Government atmos banto the shaksu stage in childhood to adulthood as darmiyan atmos rapid growth development gasan you should so system so stage one yat stages mas supermiation gasan males mas gasan supermiation agar to yaad aise government emis mas sperms produce gasan ya yat is mano try to supermiation one we can sorry here but first release or discharge of semen. Guarnish latch emis mas government semen gasan discharge yat is mano sperm arch yat is mano sperm arch utaya matlab go emis males mas reproductive organs develop gasan kya is stage yat stages was hormones release gasan yer hormones release gasan government emis rapid growth gasan rapid development gasan to tamat emis bachpanas mas sa growth gasan ke emis government agar male as males mas one discharge of semen gasan to reproductive organs this well developed banan ach gasan sperm arch agar female as ach one menstrual cycle ti gasan start one menstrual cycle yat is one men arch government ko iske chess mission issue stage of yat stages mazan development gasan common development gasan practical body part is practical organ system should well developed banan even reproductive system using should well developed banan what agar is common problems what agar is common problems of adolescence come problems gasan emis adolescence yaman varian maz yani imsan im 7-8 vari shasan childhood pat im sat adulthood stages maz traun kadam imsan im 7-8 vari shi yaman maz kya problems shaimis gasan halanki atmos gasan wara ke psychological ke atmos rapid growth gasan atmos emis bachas maz physical and psychological changes gasan physical to psychological changes at develop gasan wo common problem on mas gwanich of problem yat is param health problem of problem is an iman mas gasan sage health problem sareni ke most of the adolescents symptoms sareni ke magar wara zyada most of the adolescents adolescents most of the adolescents timan mas kya gasan kas health problem gasan timan mas a disease gasan that is called as acne common disease halan is a serious disease What is acne? Sarni lagbag wichan is gasan shiman gobernon adolescent mas. Acne means eruption of skin. Eruption of skin on the face. Which is pimples near. Diminution an acne. But ये skin फटन हो. तुम्हें दान ही नहीं आ रहा. एक तरह से गोबरमेंट pimples. Tim च adolescent faces पे नेर. हालांकि मैं वन गोड़ा थी तो यहाँ तो यहाँ से stage यात में जन rapid physical to psychological changes कसा. Physical and psychological changes कसा. Rapid वाला तेज तरीन यात में कसा changes physical to the psychological changes. One साथ एमिसी eruption of skin को बुच्चस दा यम pimples एमिस इशपर serious नहीं. Is an adolescent इशपर serious नहीं वन इशपर में क्या इस दा pimples यानी मैं अगर बुत रोज़ soft कैसे एमिस पन बॉसन on top of the world यानी कि सारे कुछ खूबसूरत बॉसन चाहे male चाहे female इशपर परेशानी नहीं और depression में गसन हालांकि इशने कहीं disease ये disease चाहिए गसन by regular washing बुत बार छलना. Use of antibiotics. क्या मामूली antibiotic की मदद गोबरमेंट इस्तेमाल करने बे application of gel. बे के gel आने यज़न gel cream एक किस्म यात मत application of gel on the affected part. कोई शंस ज़्यादा कर disease मगर युजन ये adolescent शी या आसन शी यासन दबन बासा कुछ सोचूं evergreen बासा कुछ shine गसन अगर इमस बिचस दान शुवासन पन खराब गोबरमेंट issue बर serious देवनी. This is not, it's a common problem. It's extremely lagbag sarni adolescent problem gасан, so it is not a big issue. Doim is a problem is insan gasan chu gobernon tim psychological problems. Those are psychological problems. Emis adolescent is most gasan biak problem tim is psychological problems. Yimsan psychological problems gobernon meon badat even most gasan adolescence was rapid physical and psychological changes. Emishu mood was change, psychological changes gasan. What a psychiatrist emishu was mood gasan mamuni kathmanan emishu bardashi gasan. Gacha samushun agar emis bachpanas mes chapatila yost ki karan magar agar emis asmai mamuli kya wala zruab kar hos besti emishu mein bardash gasan ke kes emishu psychological changes gasan ke emishu pan basan on top of the world. Atmas come problems atmas wara problem gasan a problem gasan government that is accidental injury. That is accidental injury. Aspashwara problem gasan a problem she accidental injury. Yani emis government zakham hakan ye emis hakan accident gesit ke zyada chance wushnu winkes yem ki death shanshit tim zyada accidental deaths tim zyada gasan kamarmas yani adolescent mas kais bike chalawan zyada tez gaadi chalawan zyada tez yeman mas zyada common accidents ishu pani kashir mas agar ishu phalan accident bike so that means adolescent age was that means 20 years of age. So this accidental injury, it is more common. This automobile accident is the most, I can say, common killer. It's the most common killer of youths, most common killer of adolescents. It's most common killer of adolescent. Of course, he has an accidental injury. It's common killer of adolescents. And ye kya gasan kya often in adolescents they drink alcohol. Usually accident is by taking this alcohol. One I will show usually government alcohol charge even consume is made responsible for, I can say, causing this disease. And adolescents they drive fast, very fast. They have no driving lesson. Time government driving license they often drive very fast. This may result in the, I can say, this may happen in the accident. We should control accident. What happens? That results in here, I can say there. So I'm called to board bar parent responsible. Who let them to drive? वो बोर्ड बॉय यूजन am khatra responsible to parent यूजन इमन गाड़ी छ दिवन and then they without I can say having full control on the driving without having I can say this driving lesson यूजन इमन ये allow छ कारण वो main user responsibility is such as parents should not let their children to I can say go for driving without having proper control without having I can say proper driving lesson. Then there is, I can say, another psychological problem that is suicide and depression. Suicide and depression. यानी ज्यादा पहमत यमसन suicide cases शामिल वुचन तिम adolescent में ज्यादा यानी यम साथ कि कहां suicide छ गसन सु छ आसन adolescent आखन यानी adolescent भी पानस फैज दिवन government can even adolescent don't he seems to be an evergreen he seems to be on top of the world and agar his ego hurt shugasan ya agar government his kul sath ke problem shugasan chahe so his dostan mas gachi chahe so his playground mas gachi shun bardasht shakan kari ke tolerance kam asan and she go for the suicide agar school failure gai for example result draw fail draw ay marks aine asal ke tam sath his government depression gasan and this leads to them this I can say suicide koi icha government of common problem why kiske hai ki depression means kiske hai ki family evolve kare ji hun jisi bache show emis depression agar emis I can say behavior was chi ya wala emis anxiety means परेशान छी आसन कलस छु दुवद आसन काचा समझवन government को अंसा है कि family recognize कर एमिस हसा छु कि हता problem unhappy appearance यानी एमिस शन बिल्कुल appearance या तो एमिस सशन ठीक कि आसन बिल्कुल परेशान छी आसन अगर ये family यम चीज evolve कर यहुद बच्चे वुश पनस बच्चस एमिस क्या टेंशन आसन एमिस क्या सिद्ध पर कथ करन के then family atmosphere should be I can say evolved एमिस parent जिम्मेदारी they should I can say evolve the I can say family atmosphere या यूजर एमसन स्कूल atmosphere छु ये इवॉल्व करन ये गसन स्कूल तोड़ छ गसन तछ क्लास दिवन तछ कि तछ बशी इमोश गार्डियन स्कूल तोड़ छ गसन फैमिली atmosphere में कोच ने गार्डियन ने ये कोच गसन या एमस का लॉयर मोच के मोच व्हाटसएवर के अफेयर मोच यम सी जनी परेशान छ रोजन एंड अगर यम एमएस सुसाइड टेंडेंसीज विष्ण ही कैन बी आई कैन से आई कन्विंस एमसी बिल्कुल कन्विंस करने यूजर एमएस म्यूजियम सुसाइडल टेंडेंसीज दूर है टेंडेंसीज को गवर्नमेंट एमएस म्यूजियम सेल्फ एस्टीम सेल्फ पर ज्यादा कर के बस एस्पेक्ट गवर्नमेंट यूजर एमएस एडोलसेंट्स में सेल्फ एस्टीम फास्ट यह शुन यसन एमस सेल्फ एस्टीम गस लूज गसन या लॉस गसन सेल्फ एस्टीम शी से ज्यादा रश कर यानी एमस गस कस थी रोब कर के एमस गस न जनाबी सुना वन ईगो हर्ट गसन के यानी पन्निस सेल्फ एस्टीमस यूजरस पे हालांकि छुना आसन वनी के हुन आसन योड़े पकड़ यह वनी का एमस का कारनामा त्युत कोरमुत के का साइंटिस्ट बन्यो ने के डॉक्टर बन्यो हुन योड़े पर एमस का पन more than that of the prime minister of I can say country मगर गवर्नमेंट यह कि सेल्फ एस्टीम जो इस मार्श करन अगर इस अख खोट गसन इस में सुसाइड टेंडेंसीज डेवलप गसन एंड सुसाइड टेंडेंसीज इन सब इन में डेवलप गसन इशा करके सुसाइड इधर कचे सोशल ब्याक गवर्नमेंट प्रॉब्लम दैट इज substance abuse शामिल आ वुश्न यसन ये नशे गवर्नमेंट चाहे स्मोकिंग चाहे गवर्नमेंट अल्कोहल एडिक्शन चाहे ड्रग एडिक्शन यम आमित वुचन यम अमिस इंसानस मज यम अमिस यम शौक यानी यम जन अमिस यम गबर मोन वनो अक किस्म लत लगन यह लगन एज एडोलसेंस एज मज यह जन यह एडोलसेंस एज एज मज हेकन इंडल्ज वो अगर अमिस बैड कंपनी मिले यम जन स्मोकर्स या अल्कोहल एडिक्टर्स या ड्रग एडिक्टर्स यम साथ यह कंपनी मज शरियो अमिस वार इन्वॉल्व करते मजा योतान यह पूरे गो योड़े दिवान पे अमिस पूरा आदत अनवे मल अच्छा समझ गवर्नमेंट वो यह सबस्टेंस अब्यूज यह जन यह नशे गवर्नमेंट एडिक्शन यह एडिक्शन डेवलप गसान during I can say adolescence age. वो adolescence age में जो substance abuse गसन इसलिए these adolescents they should be educated about the ill effects of these I can say addictions. इसे पर निमोज गवर्नमेंट नीतो तो violence ये लड़ाई ताकि गवर्नमेंट कुसु adolescent लड़ाई को मतलब लाकर शुरू सुन लड़ाई adolescent age को ये violence यूज़म it is every part of their life. It is, I can say, everyday part of their life. Everyday part of their life. Adolescent हुंची जिंदगी हुंद क्या अब दस्तूरी बनो चाहे ये लड़ाई आज के फॉर एग्जांपल इन प्लेग्राउंड दोस्तों से प्लेग्राउंड में पैकेज लड़ाई ये में दरमियान चाहे कुनिशाय आज से फियर मोल शु कुनिशाय लगन गवर्नमेंट पकड़ना मोल पहलगा मोल आत्मस का लड़ाई अतः कम करने में लाकर बच एडोलसेंट या sex I can say affair shots and sexual affairs आत्मस कम लड़ाई तो that means adolescent. So it is I can say their everyday is part of their life. When is any violence show इसी violence show हमसे क्या है इमेज दर्शन ये बार-बार लड़ाई सुन के बदल गलत कारण लोग इनसे जब परफॉर्मेंस क्लासेस में जाकर शिकार यानी एमएस अगर कई भी लड़के जो आज एमएस परफॉर्मेंस कम गसन में चुश वारा कई भी लड़के यम साथ के यमन चीजन को लग एंड अल्टीमेटली यसन दिन सब कबियत इज दैट इरोडेड दैट्स अगे खत्म एंड फाइनली तिमो को ब्रोड को पड़ गया ये चौक बोर्ड बार आप वजह क्या आप यसन इज कॉमन प्रॉब्लम ट्यूशन दैट इज प्रेगनेंसी ये शाम क्वेश्चन कॉमन इन गर्ल्स pregnancy यानी unwanted pregnancy या तो जरूरत है unwanted pregnancy before marriage that have been found in girls unmarried girls due to their sexual affair with the boys. So once there is sexual affair with the boy, then they go for sexual intercourse. Girl loses the self-esteem. The girl should never lose her self-esteem. Once a girl loses her self-esteem in front of, I can say, her boyfriend, what will happen? That will result in the pregnancy, but that was, I can say, unwanted pregnancy before marriage, and the option is to go for abortion. And the only option is that is to go for abortion, and in this abortion, the girl can, I can say, die. Yeah, finally, is a boy she refuse and it is the girl who faces the problem. Yeah, here is the face problem. Then she has to face the problem. She has to, I can say, go those I can say nursing homes to I can say abort the child illegally, and she has to face all the problems of this I can say unwanted pregnancy. So girls should never lose their I can say self-esteem. Is a question sexually transmitted diseases, STDs. Sexually transmitted diseases. These diseases are transmitted due to sexual intercourse, and this has been also found more common in adolescents. Even adolescents, she is STD is due to sexual intercourse with infected. Sexual intercourse with infected person. Infected person से अगर sexual intercourse करन MSC disease है जिसमें STDs. So even in STDs हालांकि वाला STDs for example AIDS which is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, dangerous disease, no treatment. This is government sexually transmitted disease. This is adult even adolescent because they do not use the condom and they lose their self. Main thing. या गोबर में ये गोनोरिया disease gonorrhea. This is caused by Neisseria gonorrhea. Neisseria gonorrhea is bacterial disease gober में syphilis, which sexually transmitted disease caused by bacteria named as Treponema pallidum. Treponema pallidum. So these are, I can say, sexually transmitted diseases which are found more common in adolescents, and this I can say STDs, sexually transmitted diseases. They I can say cost the life of the adolescent sometimes. If he's facing from AIDS, then it can, I can say, he cannot counteract with this, I can say, this disease, and this may result in the death of that person. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.